Hi, this is Fakir-e-Azam and welcome to India TV. Today I have some very interesting news for you. Now you can make AI generative apps without any knowledge of coding. Google has announced the launch of a new tool called AutoML Zero, which allows developers to create generative AI applications without writing a single line of code. This tool is part of Google's ongoing efforts to democratize AI and make it accessible to more people. AutoML Zero uses a technique called evolutionary search, which algorithms are created and evolved over time to find the best possible solutions to a given problem. This tool provides a framework for developers to input their data, and then it automatically generates a model that can be used for generating new content such as images, music, or even text. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way developers approach generative AI applications. By removing the need for complex coding, it can open up the field to a broader range of developers and enable them to create sophisticated applications that were previously only possible for those with extensive programming skills. Google hopes that this new tool will empower more developers to explore the possibilities of AI and unlock its potential to solve complex problems across a variety of industries. So, what do you think about it? Let me know in the comment section. And for more, keep watching India TV.